guys, if you love to rock as much as I do, then you're going to love this outdoor kickback rocker. It is a great product, pretty spacious if you can see here. So if you're not quite as petite as I am, you're definitely going to fit in this space. A really durable, I'm assuming it's vinyl, where I can really put my elbows in. I'm sitting cradled very comfortably where you don't have to worry about falling through or breaking it. This is a cup holder that comes with it with a little mesh bottom, and you have this little spot right here that can hold your cell phone or your keys. Really, really convenient. But if you love to rock, then this is a great product because of the hydraulic system right here. And I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but right here at the bottom you have the flat part that rocks, and the front you have these little stoppers. So let's say you're at one of your children's sports events and you need to shout because you get excited. You don't have to worry about the chair falling forward. It does stop and sit upright. But if you're like me and you like to kick back and rock a little bit, it is a perfect rocking system, very, very comfortable. It doesn't matter what surface you're on, it has a really smooth rock. Now, storing it and putting it away is a breeze. All you have to do is bend up the chair really, really tight, just like any other outdoor sports chair, like this. I'm gonna wrap this around over to this little piece right here, like that. You've got the little belt that goes over your shoulder, and just like that, now we're ready to go.